Hi everyone, it's Charlie Mann, the Chief Marketing Officer with Great Legal Marketing and BenGlassLaw, and I just wanted to give you a few tips on newspaper advertising for your law firm. Specifically, 3 tips that I want to go over with you. The first thing that you should think about when you are doing a newspaper advertisement is the market that you want to reach. Now, obviously, we've decided you're going after people who actually read newspapers, which means that the demographics are probably a little bit older, working, people who have jobs, a little bit more affluent, things like that. But what you may not be considering is the ability to go out and find local newspapers or niche newspapers in your community in which you could put in a print advertisement, to where you could possibly target a specific neighborhood of higher class or more affluent people, say if you were a probate and estate planning attorney, who might be more eligible for your services and make better clients for you. So think carefully about the market and go out and find the newspapers that they are actually reading. The next thing that we want to consider is the message, and does it match up with the market that you are targeting? If you are trying to target, say, a lower class or blue collar workers, your message probably shouldn't sound as complex or use any legal jargon, whereas if you're targeting, say, a higher class, more affluent family, you may be able to insert some legal jargon because maybe they're already familiar with something like estate planning. The next thing that we want to think about is tracking your advertisement. It is incredibly important. As a matter of fact, it is one of the essential pieces of newspaper advertising for you to track every ad that you run. You can do this by buying unique tracking phone numbers and unique tracking URLs to your website. This data will allow you to improve your marketing in the future. Now, here's the number one reason that most people don't track their marketing. They're afraid of it failing. Now, the truth is that if you track an advertisement and it fails, at the very least, you have an excellent piece of data that says, maybe we didn't have the right market, or maybe we didn't have the right message. But without tracking, you'll never know if these two are correct. And those are your 3 tips on improving your newspaper advertising for a law firm.